Everyone and welcome back. Today we have a City Set 30150 of a racing car that was released in 2012 for ages 5 to 12. The set consists of 35 components, of which mine was supplied with 3 additional components supplied here. The set also comes with 1 miniature figurine with a printed torso and 1 printed head print on one side. The actual set itself was released and first available in the Toys R Us in April 2012 in the USA. It was then later released as a free giveaway through the UK newspaper The Sun on the 22nd of May 2012. Hope you've enjoyed this short product review. I have many more things to bring to you as well as custom builds, etc. So please subscribe to my channel. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye bye for now.